The equation of a graph is y equals a parentheses x minus h squared plus k. Y equals x squared, you would take the x value, 0, and square root it and get 0. And for 1, square 1 and get 1. 2 squared is 4. And 3 squared is 9. The same thing for negative 1 squared is 1. Negative 2 squared is 4. Negative 3 squared is 9. If you translate the graph up by, for example, 5, you'd have y equals x squared plus 5. And for that, you would graph the parent graph. So it'd be 0, 0, 1, 1, negative 1, 1, 2, 4, negative 2, 4, and 3 squared would be 9, and negative 3 squared would be 9. And you just connect them with the dotted line to represent it being a parent graph. And then you just take each of those points and move them up 5. So 0, 0 would be 0, 5. 1, 1 would be 1, 6. 2, 4 would be 2, 9, and so on. And same thing with negative 1, 1 would be negative 1, 6, and negative 2, 4 would be negative 2, 9. If you were to translate the graph to the right 5, you would have y equals parentheses x minus 5 squared. For that, you just graph the parent graph. And then connect them with the dotted line. And then just move each point to the right 5. So negative 3, 9 would be positive 2, 9. Negative 2, 4 would be positive 3, 4. Negative 1, 1 would be positive 4, 1. 0, 0 would be 5, 0. And 1, 1 would be 6, 1. 2, 4 would be 7, 4. And 3, 9 would be 8, 9. If you were to reflect the graph would be y equals negative x squared. And then just graph the parent graph again. It would be negative 3, 9. Negative 2, 4. Negative 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, and 3, 9. And then just connect them with the dotted line. And then just change every y value to a negative. So it would be negative 3, 9 would be negative 3, negative 9. Negative 2, 4 would be negative 2, negative 4. Negative 1, 1 would be negative 1, negative 1. 0, 0 would stay the same. 1, 1 would be 1, negative 1. 2, 4 would be 2, negative 4. And 3, 9 would be 3, negative 9. If you were to dilate the graph by 2, the equation would be y equals 2x squared. And for that, you just take every point and times it by 2. So the parent graph would be negative 3, 9. Negative 2, 4. Negative 1, 1. 0, 0. 1, 1. 2, 4. And 3, 9. And then you just take every y value and times it by 2. So negative 3, 9 would be negative 3, 18, which goes off the graph. And then negative 2, 4 would be negative 2, 8. Negative 1, 1 would be negative 1, 2. 0, 0 would stay 0, 0, because anything times 0 is 0. 1, 1 would be 1, 2. And 2, 4 would be 2, 8. Dilating a graph by a number bigger than 1 would make the graph a vertical stretch. If you were to dilate the graph by 1/2, the equation would be y equals 1/2 x squared. And the parent graph would be negative 3, 9. Negative 2, 4. Negative 1, 1. 0, 0. 1, 1. 2, 4. And 3, 9. And you just take every y value and times it by 1/2. So negative 3, 9 would be negative 3, 4.5. Negative 2, 4 would be negative 2, 2. Negative 1, 1 would be negative 1, 1/2. 0, 0 would stay 0, 0. 1, 1 would be 1/2. 2, 4 would be 2, 2. And 3, 9 would be 3, 4.5. Dilating something by a number smaller than 1 would be a vertical stretch.